This shampoo will grow your hair as if by magic. I no longer use commercial shampoos. There are women who find it hard to grow their hair. There are chemicals that help hair growth, but usually these types of products are often expensive and can also have a lot of side effects. But these are not the only options. There are also natural remedies that help you grow your hair in a very fast. So in this video we will tell you how you can prepare a shampoo with bicarbonate that will help you to grow your hair as if by magic. The results begin to show up after the first 2 weeks. How to prepare a shampoo with bicarbonate? 1. In a small bottle or other container of your choice, mix 1 cup of baking soda and 3 cups of water to prepare a large amount, or you can reduce the dose. 2. If you want to prepare the shampoo for a single wash, adjust the dose according to the length of the hair. 3. You can apply this mixture to dry or moist hair, from the roots to the ends of the hair. 4. Leave on for a few minutes, then wash with warm water. 5. At first, you may feel strange because it does not foam, but over time you will become accustomed to this mixture. 6. Next, rinse the hair with a solution of apple cider vinegar and water. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar for 4 cups of water. 7. Be sure to apply properly. Tilt your head back, to prevent contact of vinegar in the eyes. 8. You can prepare this rinse in advance, and store it in a small bottle in the bathroom, and you can use it when needed. This affordable method, free of chemicals to wash your hair, will provide spectacular effects after a couple of times. Note: use this shampoo at least 3 times a week for its properties to affect your hair and grow faster. In addition, you can continue to use your normal shampoo. I